Now that all of the cable runs for your project have been installed and hand tight, your last step will be to complete final tensioning for your cable runs. When completing final tensioning for your cables, it's important to follow the tensioning sequence that you see here to ensure that all of your cables will be at equal tension. Using a vice grip and Allen wrench, start off by clamping your vice grip onto your turnbuckle swage stud so that the cable and stud cannot rotate. Insert the Allen wrench into the hole of your turnbuckle body and then tighten the cable to your desired tension. Repeat the same tensioning procedure for all of the remaining rows of cable in the tensioning sequence until the cable run is fully tensioned. Lastly, repeat the same tensioning process and sequence for all of the remaining cable runs on your project. If you have any questions about today's video, then be sure to drop us a comment below. And don't forget that if you'd like more detailed instructional videos on how to install the HAAS system, you can find them on our channel. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.